Welcome back, and welcome to Convocation, students. You're going to get two pretty cool pieces of information today in Convocation. The first thing is a report card for you, and that'll tell you how you're doing at semester. And I know at the beginning of the year you started out with ideas about what kind of grades that you wanted to end up with, and just keep in mind that those semester averages will be combined with your second semester average. And so if you're not happy with where you are right now, then you might need to make some adjustments. But some of you may be really happy with where you are, and I want you to celebrate those accomplishments. The next report card that you have, because you have two report cards, one's for our school, and we have a great school report card that needs to go home to your parents. If you'll look on there, there's a thing called distinctions, and that means that our campus is in the top 10% of some really important areas that the state measures. And so you guys are doing some great things, and so I want you to keep up the good work. Celebrate that too, because you go to a great high school. Anyway, keep up the good work, and remember, Eagle Fight never dies.